There are 3 ways to change upper and lower subtitles easily. One way to do this is to open Setting, click on Upper or Lower Subtitles, and choose your language. Here's another way to change the language of subtitles. Click on the wrench icon that appears at the end of both subtitles and choose your language on this box. You can also open extensions. Click on Language Learning with Netflix and YouTube Google Chrome extension. Click on Upper Subtitles and choose your language. You can do the same for the lower subtitle.